Hey Coaster Crew fans, checking in from Funspot America here in Orlando, Florida. This is the White Lightning coaster, and it looks like it's getting a retrack, but it looks like we're in store for something fun. So let's go check it out. It looks like a lot of work has taken place just on day one. There's a lot of new wood here, but then it kind of goes into that new GCI Hybrid track that they debuted last year during IAAPA. So I'm not sure if it's going to be a combination of the two, but it's definitely going to smooth out the ride. So the hybrid track goes all the way up and into this hill here. There's gentlemen working up there, as you can see. There doesn't seem to be any construction going on the rest of the structure, but they could move along pretty quickly. This is just day one, and this is quite a bit of track replace. So we will keep you guys updated. We'll head on back here in the next day or so and see how far along they've come. Till then, guys, if you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, and of course subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for future notifications for future videos, and of course like us on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon.